So guys, this is the positive input, and here is the driver input as well. This is our negative, and here is the LED. I'm going to connect the positive wire to this middle, which is the positive input. This is the positive wire, guys. So here is the resistor, the diode, and the driver. So let me complete the remaining stuff, guys, so that we can test it and see how this thing is working, guys.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days.
So here is the output, AC output, guys. The last pin here for the 1, 2. So here is for the output. This is the output, guys, and here is for the input. We have the positive wire in the middle, and here are the drivers wires. Here is N.channel Mosfets, and the second one is also N.channel Mosfets, guys. So here is our LED. So I'm going to drop a diagram for this driver very soon now, guys. So let's see how this thing is working, guys. So guys, this is our battery. This is a 4-volt battery in series. So here is the positive and here is the negative, guys. And here's our bulb, guys. So guys, the project is working, guys. Please subscribe to my channel.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no